Hello, my name is Lina Archibald. Welcome to my felt making studio and welcome to my new online class, Felted Textured Poncho Cape. I've been running online felt making school, Felt with Lina, for 3 years now, created over 30 online classes, and I love working with textures and colors. I keep experimenting, I keep pushing boundaries. And today I'm presenting you my new online class. We're going to create poncho like this. It is more fitted, snuggling poncho, stroke cape, or maybe even waistcoat. This is comfortable, fashionable shape, beautiful gossamer of colors and textures, just perfect for any weather. You can wear either shirt or t-shirt or even jacket underneath this poncho. Step by step, together, we will go through the whole process of creating this unique item. I explain all important moments to avoid mistakes by yourself and to avoid wasting materials. You will learn how to create beautiful gossamer of colors and texture, and I give you variation of materials to use for this class. We will build pattern template together and we will look at variations, what else you can create based on just one template. What else, what other shapes of poncho you can create, or waistcoat, okay? Because this one has open edge, nothing stops you to close, felt around resist, leave in armhole, and then it does look more as waistcoat. At the moment we have this pocket, this is a secret pocket, to join front and back together. Okay. You will have separate video on how to make this particular textures using this technique. So rather go through all process making poncho if you wish just to learn technique and then apply to other projects like scarf, for example this, like hat, like handbag, like jacket, perfect for jackets and coats. This is soft, very soft felt, look at that, even stretchy felt, okay, really nice, has really nice movement. So, however, this is not fine felt, not the finest felt. This is felt suitable for garments like poncho, like waistcoat, jacket, coat. Handbag as well. Hat. Cushion covers. I'm really looking ideas from you. What else you can create in this particular technique? I also talk through how I created this scarf in this technique. There are slight variations in these two techniques, okay? Who's this class for? This class is not for complete beginner. If you are complete beginner, I do have other classes, felt making for beginners, one of them, Nuna felt for beginners, another one. Look at them. However, with my support, because when you buy this class, it doesn't mean that's it. You bought class and you do not have conversation with me, you're welcome to have conversations with me. Each video in each of my class has a chat function where you can submit question with photographs, with links, and then I'll come back to you answering your questions. Another way to communicate and share your work, not just with myself, but with other students, we have Facebook closed community of my students where we share, where we ask questions, where we enjoy felt making together. You have unlimited access to your class. It is a pre-recorded class, and when you buy, you have 24 hours access for unlimited time. So it's great to come back to your class when you create. And the way I arrange my videos, this class split into quite a few videos. Try to keep length of video maximum 25-30 minutes, many of them 10-15 minutes by process, according to each process. So that helps when you doing making felt, okay? Don't forget to join our closed Facebook group. The link is in the class in the conclusion. And I'm really looking forward to work with you, creating either item like this or accessories, anything like this, or whatever you decide to create in this particular technique. And also, if you notice, I have crochet edges, and I do have this video as part of this class. Thank you so much for your attention. I'm really looking forward to work with you and share our passion to felt making together. All the best.